Hello everyone, I am Cameron and welcome to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. I have a cat named Penelope and she is by far one of the weirdest animals I think I have ever had the privilege of knowing. So I thought I might as well just make an entire video of her being weird, nasty, rude, and just so Penelope, it's unreal. So if you like this video, you should like and subscribe because I am planning on doing one of my dog as well. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Girl, oh, what are you doing down there? Having a moment with the wall. Sorry. Oh, girl. Honey, what are you even looking at? What do you see? Do you want some attention or what? Ow! Don't bite me! No thank you, little missy. Get down. I leave you for 2 seconds. Ow! Ooh! Whole head and shoe. No! I film videos like this. I am going to say, Penelope, you need to get out of here. You are distracting me. Y'all, Penny is being ridiculous. Penny. Penny. Girl, I am trying to record. All right, see ya. What are you doing? Why do you do that? She's like completely chewed this entire toy. You weirdo! Ew. Girl, that is not your food. Don't eat the toy. Don't eat the toy. Oh! Girl, don't smack the camera. That does not look comfortable. Oh, sorry, go back to sleep. And then you, night. Oh wow. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Are you a little stuck? Yeah.
Stuck?
Yeah, she is.
Oh. Oh my god.
It's like,
oh my god, it was around her neck.
well, she could breathe.
This is why we don't play with legs.
Oh, she's like, oh, now I'm free. Okay. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed it. I had so much fun capturing all the weird things that she does because she's such a character. And again, make sure that you like and subscribe so then you know when my dog's goes up because hers is going to be hilarious as well. All right, say bye, Penny. Bye, guys.